Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bernadette. So you must like 21pilots, makeup, or anything creative, or maybe you like what I do. This video is definitely going to be inspired by 21pilots' new album Trench, which is coming out soon. I'm so excited. This inspiration, this makeup look was actually inspired by 3 of the music videos, Levitate, Jumpsuit, and Nico And The Niners. I tried to incorporate the bird kind of effect throughout the look, and because the hawk is on the cover and features throughout the music videos, I really want to incorporate that and incorporate the bandit style as well. So if I was a bandit, how I would dress in the trench. So I really hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started.
So we're going to start off by taking our concealer and just going to start concealing like dark circles, imperfections, or pimples and all that kind of stuff. I'm just doing it underneath my eyes, get rid of my dark circles, pimples on my chin, and I like to use it as as an eyeshadow base as well, so the eyeshadow sticks. So that's a tip for you too that you can do, and just put some concealer on my eyelids, and I'm rocking and jamming out, don't mind me, and I'm just blending all the concealer in.
You'll have to grab my throat and lift me in the air. I'm so close to your face. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm so sorry. I'm never this close to the camera, so it's like, it's just as weird as for you as it is for me. Like, amazing. The most like fresh-faced, clean, poreless. Like, it just, especially for photos, it works really well. So.
Now I'm just using the Maybelline Liquid Drain Mist concealer foundation, and I'm just blending that out throughout my face. So now I'm just filling in my eyebrows. Do it the normal way in which you please. I just made mine a bit heavier just to give more definition, strength to the face, but just filling your eyebrows like you normally would.
I always tell the story because it's so funny. I'm just filling my eyebrows in just like naturally would. This one time I was at school, and I knew that my eyesight was so bad when I was waiting for my sister to come pick me up after school, and I was waiting in the normal waiting bay, and I saw someone with the same car as her, and I thought it was her, and then I went to go to the door and I saw this other woman, and I was freaking out because I was like, oh my god, I was grabbing the handle. I was literally about to go open the door, and then I saw her, and I'm like, oh my god, that's not my sister. And then I quickly like pulled out and just walked away. It was so embarrassing because I was like, oh my god, because she drove the same car as my sister, so I swore it was her, and it wasn't. Like, honestly, it's so bad sometimes. Like, you don't have to worry about, trying to kidnap me, because I think I'll just accidentally come to you. Feeling, when you just get like a new eyeshadow brush and you just like, it just feels so nice. That's just the thing that I do with my makeup brushes sometimes. Eyeshadow first, so then the yellow will come out stronger. Something like that. And just do the same on the other side. I've got really dark circles on my eyes, so white eyeshadow helps a lot. You can see I've done the eyelids. For one eye, I did underneath as well. Add more. Oh my god, this kind of reminds me.
So I forgot to mention it here, but you actually want to go for a yellow kind of eyeshadow. It can have a little bit of shimmer, but preferably a matte yellow eyeshadow color.
Off. Do you remember the Hunger Games? Oh my god, I'm talking about it as if it's been like 10 decades. Do you remember the Hunger Games, and Effie Trickett like walks in with that like bright yellow look? I feel like Effie. I need a pink hair and a pink wig. Okay, so now I'm doing the same on the other eye. Just blended out the corners here. I'm using this little fluffy brush here.
So now we're just taking a eyeshadow pen, oh my god, an eyeliner pencil, and we're just drawing out a normal wing, but make sure to keep it thin. So we're doing one on the normal lash line.
Jumpsuit, cover me.
very faded now, but we're gonna go over it with an eyeliner. I don't know if you can see that, but now I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Voice crack.
And now we're just doing the exact same thing on the other eye. You're going to do the same thing on both eyes. And now you can see I'm just applying the second wing, which is also thin, which is going to go on the crease of our eye. This is just to create the illusion of a double wing.
So we've got a double wing. And now for the other side. So where's my crease? There. Where's my 6 creases? Where's my 600 creases? Oh yeah, I found them all. It's all in the fold. Okay, so my main crease is there, so I'm just gonna do it.
My throat and lift me in the air. If you need anyone, I'll stop my plans, but you'll have to tie me down and then break both my hands. If you need anyone, I'll be right there, but you'll have to.
Okay, see how I've got double wing there? I have a double wing there. Cool. And then we'll do some like feathery stuff. So on the lid we're gonna do like you know how you do like a wave where it's kind of like that. I'll even just picture here how it's like the wave is like that, not like that. Whoops. Okay. Let's look in Catching Fire. I'm making so many Hunger Games references. This is great. The resemblance is just really uncanny. Where my eye bag is here, I'm going to start here and then go down like that. You'll see. See that? Okay. Same thing on the other side. So where my bags are, if you don't have eye bags, just where your lid is, just like 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So just underneath it.
I'd have to dim my light, my mystic being, held by gravity. I almost let you hold me back from everything. Oh, me and my shadow learn to let go. Oh, burning my fears now, stealing the power. Keep falling, falling, I'll keep falling, falling.
Oh my god, I just forgot to put powder on. Make sure you put powder on after you do your concealer and mascara. So for now, this part here, I'm just going over all of the kind of base line art that we made, and I'm using a gel eyeliner for that. Doesn't matter what eyeliner you use as long as it's not a pencil. We just want to create more definition and really highlight and show the art that we created.
I'm not desperate for your approval
Okay, now I'm just going to do under my eye. Okay, I'm just gonna let this dry for a bit because I'm so scared to do anything. Okay, yeah, so this is a look. So this is the line art look that I created. It was to represent the birds and the hawk that's on the cover of Trench and throughout the music videos. I don't remember it being in Nico and The Niners, so please correct me if I'm wrong, but it was in Jumpsuit and Levitate, definitely. So I tried to incorporate the wings and the feathers and the birds, and is it just me, but like it honestly does look like when I keep looking at it, it literally looks like a bird is on my face. Like this is the head here, and then this is the feathers underneath, and like my eyeball is its eyes. Like, do you see that, or is it just me? I don't know. So let me know if you see that too, or if it's just me and my sight. Curl my eyelashes and then put mascara on. Feel free to put falsies on. I think it'll look more fluttery and more bird-like if you put falsies on, but I'm just not a falsie type of person. So I'm just going to put like a chunk, like a lot of mascara on. So I'm just going to focus on the eyes, and then we'll do the lips, and then we're done. Your favorite and best concealer and start concealing your lips. I've never actually done this before. What I'm gonna do is take black eyeshadow and start applying that on as lipstick. Doing that so much. And I'm gonna start putting the lipstick on. It's matte black eyeshadow as well, just so we don't want any shimmer. Don't want to take any attention away from the eyeline art. Then we're just gonna be putting that on our lips like we would normally. I'm just gonna pat it and see where that goes. The final look. So excited. Like, if this creativity, as soon as I saw the music videos and the album cover, like the inspiration, I'm so excited for the album, you have no idea. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the video down below. Any creative ideas, more creative ideas that you have for me. If you like what I'm doing on this makeup journey, experimentation style. If you like what I'm doing, and to let me know if I should keep doing it or not. if you're interested in that kind of stuff. And if you are a 21Pilots fan, let me know what song you're excited for. I'm so excited for the whole album. My favorite so far is definitely Levitate. I'm just like trying to get all the words right. Let me know which song you like so far from the track list, or which ones you're excited to see, or which music videos are your favorite. Don't forget to like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Keep smiling.